So welcome to the next session. We will get into that. I'll share the screen now. So what is happening? We go to this particular customer from Eastern Command to somebody else.
You have to share the screen.
Oh, sorry. Share the screen. Is the screen visible now, please?
Yes.
Okay. Now what is happening when I go from Ernest Handel to, let's say, somebody else? Well, all other things work, but one thing we will have to look at it, that as I told you, when I go to a particular customer who doesn't have anything, then it says the customer has no orders, choose another customer. This is what we are given. When I say click OK, but the chart remains as if that this customer had orders for all the 3 years in all the months. That is how it says. And some figure which is completely irrelevant figures come. So we have 2-3 things we will have to do now before we complete the Eastern connection. Now, one more thing, we'll have a look at it. Now, Eastern connection has what are all the months here? January, March, April, May, November. Other than that, he doesn't have anything. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now I select in the month of January only for Eastern Command now. So it has given me 97 January only they have. We are able to see that here very clearly that Eastern Command has got only January 97 and June 97. Okay. So what is happening now? If I go and select, if we select now what it is showing, it is not showing the customer's full data. It is showing only customers, the second customer whom I have selected only January. It doesn't show anything. Please remember. This is a flaw in the system right now. Am I right? When we have selected a particular, let us say January and February, let us say January and February we select. Now 2 months. We go and select another customer and it doesn't have February at all. So it is masked only January. It doesn't give everything. Whereas if we clear the filter, now he has January, April, June, August, October, November, December. So you understand what is happening? When we filter out for this customer only for January, and when we select another customer, any customer for that matter, and it will only give January graph for the next customer also. It does not give the graph of September, March. He has got, you look at it, he has got September and March also, but the graph talks only of January. So if I clear the filter, then I get everything. So to this extent, every time we tell the somebody, your user, he has now selected January. Now we go to another customer and then we tell him, if you want all those things, then you should go and clear the graph. If we tell, it doesn't look nice. So the next step is to automate this particular thing. Is that clear to you what we are trying to do now?
Yeah, yes.
The chart, when we select a particular month, when we give a, within the slicer, when we are given a selection, the slicer next time for another customer, it does not go back. It stays in the same month and then shows the graph. Whereas we want the whole graph for the next customer to appear. Now, what we are supposed to do then? Can somebody tell me? What are we to do?
So, criteria to be fixed.
This criteria to be fixed, I agree with you. Then, how we are going to do? That means this we automated what we are supposed to do now.
You have to go to VBM.
No, we will have to, first of all, VBA. VBA, we are not that very expert right now. So we will have to go through a macro to do all these things. Am I right? That is what we are supposed to do. Now we will do one thing. We will go to view. Then we have got a macro. So we go to macro. Now we will have to record a macro as to what all you have done. Okay. So we will do a macro for this. We will do this. So what we will have to do is, first of all, we will ensure that the slicers get filtered out and the chart, total chart goes out and comes in. So we go to record macro. Now, let whatever be the name, let us not worry about the name, and it should be in the same workbook. So this is the most important thing. Please remember, it should be in the same workbook. That is the most important thing. Now we are going to record the macro. So whatever we do on the laptop, on the keyboard, it is going to now go on be doing things. Now what we will do, before that, one second, let me stop this macro. We will get back to the place where we had a problem. We will now select March alone. The problem was here only, if you remember. So what we will do is, we will start the macro, record macro, macro 2, this workbook. Now the first thing what we'll have to do is to go and clear the filter. Okay, we have cleared the filter. This is the first action that we have now taken. Okay. Now we will have to go and hide the chart and the slicer. So we go here, home, next, and home we go and find and select. What all we have been doing on find and select so far? We used to find, replace. There is something else also. There is something like select pen. We are now selecting the pen. Okay. This we would have never used. Now we go and say order month, we will make it disappear. Chart, we will make it disappear. And we close this. We go back to the view, go back here, we stop recording. Somebody tell me what all we did now.
The chart has disappeared.
No, we have.
What all we did? We
run the
selected-
macro.
we recorded a macro. What all that macro did? It went and
Cleared filter.
first in the slicer, it went and cleared the filter. Then for that, within the slicer, we went and then we started recording the macro, cleared the filter. Then we went to home button. We came to find and replace. We came to pen. Then in the pen, there were eyes were open on the chart and the slicer. We closed the eyes and then we have now come out of the map. This is what we did. Now the system has written the codes for it. Let us see what are all the codes that it has written. Look at it. Where is the code available? It is available in module, and the module name is module 2. Now this is the module which it has written. What all it has written? Active worksheet, workbook, slicer caches, slicer order month, dot clear manual filter. We will not bother about this. Then we have what we are going to take now. We are only interested in these three next. Order month visible MSO false, chart 3 visible MSO false, application command visible false. This is what we are going to use it. Let us not too much worry about what is this English which is written. Whatever you did in the macro, the grammar has been written. What it did, order month dot visible. So it has become MSO false, and chart it has become false. Now we don't need this MSO false. The system writes MSO false. We will now make it as simple false only. Now we have got, you remember when we did the first macro also, macros are available in this modules, module 1, module 2. We have not used them here. We have used in the dashboard worksheet only. We have taken this particular set of instruction and put it there. That is what we did. Now here also we are going to do the same thing. So what we will do, we will now copy these 3 lines now. Let's say we take a copy of this. And where we should now go? We should go to the dashboards. We go to the dashboard or we go to the module. We go to the module. Module may update customer info. Whatever, all the jobs that we are doing is only based on the customer information whenever it changes. Am I right or wrong? So far, the end user will be given option of only changing the customer name, nothing else. So all those things we are going to put it here. So let's come here and let us come back here and copy these things at this point for the time being. Okay. So we have taken all the 3. Now, at which point you don't want the chart and then you don't want the slicer to be not visible? Can somebody answer me this question? On which condition you don't want the chart and
there is no orders in the particular customer.
Then you don't want it to appear. Now what happens when I say visible is equal to false? That means the chart is not going to be visible. Please remember. You understand the English? Active sheet, shapes, range, array, chart 3 dot visible is equal to false means the chart will not be visible. Selection command bars, if I say it is not visible, then it will not be visible. So as Mr. Raghuvanan or Vishwanathan said rightly, we don't want these charts to appear. So I will take these things, cut it, and then I will come to here, command message box. Then I will now add it here. What has happened? If there is no customer, on error, go to no customer data. It comes to no customer data. It shows this customer has no orders, choose another customer. Then it goes and says, okay, this chart should not be visible, false. So it removes the chart. Okay, this selection criteria, this month should not be visible. That slicer, please remove it. It is removed.
Oh.
So it has gone off now. You will not see. We will see this magic when we go back. But there is one particular catch. What you have now removed these 2 and then put it in the no order, no customer order. But if there is a customer order, these charts should come. No, you have now removed it totally. So it will work whether it is customer order. If it is there also, it will not show. If there is no customer order also, it will not show because you have made it as false. So what we will have to do is now copy it, and go and copy here and make it as no
True.
If there is no error, these 2 charts should appear. So it is true. Is that clear to you what we did? We ran a macro. When I ran this macro, these are all the instructions I got. I'm not worried about all those things. So I said that we will only take these things. Let me come back to the first one, whether it should be false or this one. Let me see, because I will have to run this and see whether I have made the right thing or I have taken the wrong thing. Okay. So we will now go back to the worksheet and see what happens now. So the customer, oh sorry, this customer doesn't have, now the chart has vanished. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
We'll go to one more and see what happens. Chart has appeared. So they appeared, but unfortunately, what is not available? Order
Slicer
must
is-
itself is not. No, the slicer is not available. So this was the mistake. Because now we go to another customer and see whether the customer has no orders and no choose. So it has gone. So to this extent, it has worked. So where is the mistake now? We have active workbook, slicer, order month, all these things were there, no? If you really, so this
Order month
is,
irukum.
so this is not available. Let's try to put it manual filter. Let's see what happens. Whether that is the mistake, we will
So
see.
earlier we chose 2 line items only. That's why.
Pardon me?
See, earlier we chose two line items only. 2 line items only. That's why.
Let's see, sir. So, because I also on a daily basis, no. Here. 1 second. Time. So let us get back to the VBA script now. So this is the module 2. What we should do is we should copy the first 3 lines, not the next 3 lines. And then we went and pasted it all the 3 lines. And then the false, the next 2 lines, to remove the chart and slicer, we made it as false. To bring them back, we made it as true. Now let's get back and go to the customer who doesn't have the FISA. Now FISA, this customer has no orders. Choose another customer. Oh, this is no. We will do that also. Now we go to another customer. Then every thing is coming. Now we will get back to the selection visible. These 2 we will now take here. Make it as false here. So false means it will not, they will not be shown. So let's get back to some customer. The whole thing changes. We will go to some customer who doesn't have anything. Everything goes off. Is that clear? What has happened? Now for the customer who doesn't have any orders, the complete things gets vanished, and for a customer Eastern connection, the graph appears, everything appears. Whereas for FISA who doesn't have any order, it says that the customer doesn't have any orders and the irrelevant chart vanishes. And one more thing we wanted to do. What was that? Can somebody tell me? Do you remember? We did one more thing in this. What was that? Hello? Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
One more thing we wanted to do. Suppose I take January, then for Eastern command, let us see whether that is working, because we wanted that also, no? For the next complete, all months should come. Yes, it has come. Before we started, suppose I take this customer, then February has come. But when I selected another customer, then it was only showing February. Now for the next customer, it shows all Though he doesn't have
Correct.
February, it still shows it. So we have achieved two things. One, we removed the filter always when we went to the next customer. So that we could achieve. And then for those customers who do not have orders, we removed all the irrelevant graphs and other things. So these two things we could achieve now. So what we will do at this point, we will now, again, I will stop the recording. Somebody can take over, do it yourself and see whether it works so that it becomes easy for us to proceed for the next one. At this point, I will stop the recording.